Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. It's Delaney.
I'm Chip.
And today we're doing our first 2-in-1 for November. Yay!
My gang signs, 2-in-1.
What'd you pick for this month, Chip?
So I am diving into the Too Faced Gingerbread Extra Spicy palette, which really isn't that different from the regular gingerbread palette, but
Got a blue in it, yeah.
it was Too Faced, it was the tin, and I am a collector of this tin packaging, so I just couldn't. I know I shouldn't have, but I couldn't.
It smells like cookies to me, like just cookies, not like gingerbread.
Yeah.
And I'm gonna be using the Whalesong palette from Menagerie, so this will be Chip's first time diving in the next video. But yeah, I'm so excited. I think we couldn't have picked more opposite.
Right. Okay, so I've got more neutral, you've got more color.
Blue.
So
Just
that'll be exciting.
You need some blue, got some blue. We're just gonna go ahead and jump into look number 1.
Okay, so I'm using the Morphe M322 brush and I'm diving into Cookie Call.
Take a look at this because I was looking at it online. Cookie Call looked a lot more purple, so now I'm like,
uh-oh.
Whatever, Google Images, you lied to me. It's fine. I'm going to take the Morphe M330. We've had to put the 412 down to rest for a little bit. We're going to jump into Plankton, which is like a puke colored matte. I'm
trying a new way of putting shadow on today. So I'm going to create my shape and then cut my crease and then not put shadow on the crease. I don't know what I'm talking about. We'll see if this comes out. If not...
So we're leaving like a naked space, essentially?
I've never done that before.
They're good looks.
Okay.
Got me so good. I'm going to jump in with the shade Pearl, which is a metallic. Now, normally with the metallics from Menagerie, you probably want to use a finger. I'm going to use a brush. And we're going to use the Sephora Pro 14. I'll probably go in with a finger afterwards, but I like to just put the base down with a paddle brush because, you know, whatever. And that's going to go in the inner corner.
And then I've got Gingerbread Glam, and I'm using the Hakudo and Sephora Collection brush. There's no number, but it is the blending brush, and I'm just applying that on top of Cookie Call. I'm actually very pleasantly surprised on how deep Cookie Call is on my skin tone.
Okay, I'm gonna use that same brush and pick up my last shade, which is BUBBLENET, and it's like a very nice, like, foresty brown. And Chip's leaving me.
You got this. All right, and so for concealer, I'm using the Makeup Revolution London. It's the Conceal and Define Concealer in C13. I've been trying out the foundation and concealer match. Concealer on point, foundation too dark. But then if I go one up, it's way too light. So I feel like I would have to mix them, but I just don't like mixing. Like I don't like having to buy 2 foundations for my perfect match. So
that's fair.
I'm just like, well, that's a bummer.
I'm just gonna take a Morphe M431 and just kind of like blend this outer corner part here because these mattes are super pigmented. I'm gonna take just the slightest little bit of BUBBLENET on this brush and just bring it on my lower lash line so it's not completely naked looking. Pearl over that BUBBLENET color, just 1,000 kisses. ColourPop cream gel and Vaseline. Trying to finish up my older packaging ones. I kind of forgot I had some duplicate colors.
I'm using the Tarte Big Ego mascara.
I'm gonna jump into mascara as well. This is the Tracy Good Vibes. So thick. I'm gonna take the Baby Bat Beauty in the shade Sacred. It's just like a nice little pink.
We're gonna go in with a Cookie Cutter on a Morphe M574 brush and put this in our inner corner. Follow us on our Instagram, which is still sugar_and_spice_makeup because we post daily looks there. And you can kind of see, so we post some of our makeup looks that we do on this channel on there, and you can see what it looks like in a photo as well. All right, we're going in with the ABH Potion Liquid Lipstick.
All right, here's look number 1.
I like
the eyeshadow. Yeah, it looks good.
Something
we'll be looking forward to seeing that all over your Instagram for like the next
coming. That's why I get bored with it.
Oh my god. But think about all the colors that you could do. I'm gonna jump into close-ups, then we're gonna go right into look number 2. Look number 2. Yes, let's go. Oh, I packed my 412, my M412 from Morphe, so guess we're using it. I'm gonna take into the crease Cyan, if that's how you say it. It's very light blue, matte.
We're gonna go with Extra Spicy.
Do you feel extra spicy?
I'm feeling spicy. Look at that.
That's a pretty good orange for them.
Right? Surprised.
This palette is chips surprising me in ways that I'm annoyed, but also like, okay, Too Faced.
Because it's like, that's not the color that you showed online.
Google images.
Yeah.
People editing their
right.
shit. Okay, so we're doing a cut crease, halo high, some cut crease real quick, and I'm gonna die. I'm using an e.l.f. concealer. This is in Fair Beige. We're just making a nice domey shape.
Oh, I really like this extra spicy
It's
shade.
an extra good shade on you. Watch out, Cheeto Dust. There's a new orange in town.
I know. Oh, wow.
How are you liking your conspiracy and controversy?
I like conspiracy more than controversy.
Who'd have known?
I just feel like there should have been a matte blue, a deep matte in controversy.
I'm trying to think of it now.
Yeah, the deep shades are metallics. Yeah. And then the mattes are all light colors. And it's just, it gives a very muted look on me, which I'm like, I could live without it.
It's very light.
I'm going to go in with Hot Tamale and put that on the lid.
So I'm going to take a Barnacle, which is like a deep teal
I love
matte.
that name.
I know, Barnacles. We're going to put Barnacle on the inner and outer corners. I'm using this for Pro 14.
So I found a liner that I'm obsessed with.
A liner?
And honestly, I feel like it's better than Kat Von D Trooper.
So it's a liquid liner?
So, yes.
Felt tip too?
Yeah. Well, no, I'd say silicone tip. So this is the Black Radiance Fine Line Liquid Liner.
Ooh.
And it is literally the blackest liner I've ever used. And it's so easy.
We haven't tried them yet for drugstore bingo, but we'll bring bingo back in January. And I'm just patting away with this matte because with the mattes, they have fallout, but also like I'm trying to keep the pigmentation the same across the lid so I don't have to keep applying it. I'm gonna take a smaller brush and just get right up onto my little cut crease line here. We're gonna go with the angled liner from Morphe. This is the E38. So I'm gonna finish up my eyes. Since I'm doing a halo, I'm just gonna use the finger application, and I'm gonna take Fluke, which is a nice like a seafoam green. That's the color I was thinking of.
And then I'm just taking extra spicy under my waterline, and I'm using the Sephora Pro Shadow number 14.
What I do like about the two lighter metallics in this palette is that they are great toppers, or you can wear them alone. Like they just don't even have to try.
And then I'm going to go in with Candy Queen on the Morphe M574 brush and apply that to my inner corner. And then for lips today, I also brought these if you also want to try them. So these are the Too Faced Gingerbread Guy and Girl and Guy lips that came with the collection. I feel like the Gingerbread Man is more of an orangey tone, and then the Gingerbread Girl is more of like a brown finish.
So you're gonna use them. They matte?
Yes, yeah, they're mattes. Yeah, it's all mattes.
I'm gonna jump in with the DTLA from ColourPop for eyeliner. Tracy mascara, and then lip is gonna be Bella Gaunt in Skinny Jeans, which is, you know, pretty complimentary to the Barnacle shade, so.
All right, well, here is the second look. Let's have a look here. I love it.
I like yours
It's
too.
like a double cut crease.
That extra spicy is really
good. It's like it's dark skin approved.
Oh my god, we're gonna get this trademark triggered. Oh my god. Okay, well, we're gonna jump right into close-ups and we... enjoyed this first of the 2-in-1s. Obviously very different looks that we're bringing to you today. Very brown, very blue and green. So we're gonna switch and we'll see you guys on those next ones. Bye!